Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through a really helpful feature on TradingView, how to write and save notes for any crypto token right inside the platform. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add your own insights, strategies, or reminders to your TradingView watchlist, which can make tracking your trades smoother and so much more organized. Whether you're new to trading or just looking for ways to keep all your ideas in one place, this quick guide will have you covered. So let's get started. First up, head over to TradingView. If you don't already have it open, just pop open your browser and type in TradingView.com. Once you're there, log in if you haven't already. This helps make sure any notes you add will stay saved and easily accessible, even if you switch devices later on. TradingView's dashboard can look a little packed at first, but don't worry, we're going to focus only on what you need for this task. The next thing you'll want to do is select Products from the top menu. It's easy to spot and acts as the gateway to different tools and features that TradingView offers. Here, you can explore everything from charts to screeners, but for writing notes, make sure you're set up with the kind of product or market you're interested in. For many people, that could be cryptocurrencies, forex, or stocks, but today let's stick with crypto as our example. Now glance over to the right side of your TradingView screen. Here you'll find your watch list. This is like a personal list where you've bookmarked or favorited the coins, tokens, or stocks you care about most. If you haven't added anything yet, just search for a crypto token and click the little star icon to add it to your watch list. It's that simple. The watch list is a fantastic tool to quickly monitor price changes or market movements without jumping back and forth between multiple charts. When you see the list of tokens on your watch list, hover your mouse over any crypto token that you want to keep notes on. Don't click just yet, just move your mouse so it highlights or emphasizes that row. Think of it as passing your finger over a list of names and pausing when you spot the one you want. Now here comes the handy part, right-click on the token. This might feel a bit counterintuitive if you're used to left-clicking, but give it a try. A little menu will pop up, and if you look closely, you'll see an option that says something like Add Notes or simply Notes. This is the secret door to keeping all your thoughts directly attached to a token, so you never have to scramble for sticky notes or external spreadsheets again. Go ahead and click that Notes option. A small box will appear inviting you to type anything you like. Maybe you want to jot down why you're watching this token, the strategy you're considering, or important price levels you've noticed. You can get as detailed or as simple as you like, it's totally up to you. When you're done, just press the Add button to save your note. Don't fret if you want to update it in the future, you can always come back and edit as your strategy evolves. And just like that, you've added a note. It's now linked right to the token on your watch list, so every time you hover over or select it, your note is there, ready to remind you of your thoughts or plans at a glance. So that's the whole process for writing notes on TradingView. See, super easy but incredibly useful for anyone serious about keeping their trading organized and thoughtful. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or want to share how you use notes in your own trading workflow, drop a comment below. I love hearing your tips and stories. Don't forget to subscribe for more trading tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy trading.